Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining that. How to create lookalike audience on Facebook. Let's begin the process. The process will be quite simple. So watch the video till the very end so you don't miss any steps. So first step, tap on these dots, which are at the top right, scroll it down, and here is the option Ads Manager. Tap on this one. From here, tap on these three lines which are at the top left, and you will find the option. Audiences, tap on this one. On the second number, you will find the option, Create Lookalike Audiences. Before tapping on this first, let's create a custom audience. Once we will create a custom audience. So with the help of that custom audience, it will be very easy for us to create the look-alike audience. You can also create the custom audience within the lookalike audience. But I think this is pretty much easy, means first create custom audience. So let's create a custom audience tapping on this. Create a custom audience. So this is the custom audience. Here, select your custom audience source. For me, I'll select this custom audience source for my Facebook page. So that's why I am tapping on the option Facebook page. After tapping on this, tap on the option next, because I choose page custom audience source for my Facebook page. So that's why. Here is my Facebook page. We'll see the option event, tap on this one. Select the option, everyone who engaged with your page. Retention will remain the same, like for 365 days. Here, write your audience name. Like, I will write the audience name, same as my page. The description is optional. If you want to write a description, it's up to you. But for me, I will not write any kind of description. So after writing the audience name, tap on the option, Create Audience. Now our custom audience has been created. And tap on this option, Create Audience. And now tap on the option Lookalike Audience from here. Tap on this one. And here's the two thing, value-based sources, other resources. Tap on the option Other Resources. So here is our custom audience Crick to Graphy page, Lookalike Audience. Simply select this one. From here you have to select the country. You can't select a city or origin. You have to select the country audience. So for me, I will select the audience of Pakistan. Here is the option. Select audience size. You can also select the audience size by yourself by simply swipe this line to the right side. By doing this, and you will see the estimated reach has been increased. Now, it's up to you how many people you will select. So after doing this, the last step is creating audience. Simply tap on this one. So as you see, our lookalike audience has been created on Facebook. So it was a basic way by which you can create lookalike audience on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.